Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how this reusable rocket works. This rocket can go up to the sky and come back again where it take off. This is a remote control or radio controller. We are going to use this to control our rocket. And we have also the VTX receiver where we can use this to see where it will land through this camera that we have in this rocket. Now, I will show you how this works. We use our LiPo battery to put into our rocket. Now let's open our rocket and put our battery in the rocket. I'm using a 3S battery to power this rocket. And let's close it. After we close it, we'll open our remote control and make sure the throttle is down. And then make sure also all this are on the right position. And we open now our VTX. So you can see the picture on the VTX are showing already the rocket here. So let's try to disarm our rocket. And there you can see this rocket is working. So this is the idea of reusable rocket. We can fly it to the sky and we can land it down. I will show you how this works outside as well. Now we are going to try this small rocket that we created, and I hope this will fly. As you can see, we have the model rocket also here. We bring you here so that you can also witness how this rocket will work. Okay, now let's see how this works.